Hey everybody, it's Eric here with Spartan Autoworx. Today we're going to make a hopefully YouTube short on some things people have been asking for. People have been asking for discounts on T87 unlocks and GPEC unlocks. Especially people that have been wanting to send in multiple units to get unlocked all at one time. So we're going to do a deal. Today I think is March 16th or 17th. We are going to run a special until the end of April 2025. You have to use the coupon code Spring Cleaning. I'm going to put links in the description for this video. So T87 TCM unlock and GPECunlock.com I believe is what it is. Those are specific websites for unlocking. You'll go there, fill out the information, print it off, put it in the box, mail it to us. You send 1, 2, as long as that Spring Cleaning is in the coupon code or the promo code box or filled out on the paperwork. We will do these for $125 and these for $150. So I'm going to put links in the description of this YouTube short. Go there, fill out the appropriate paperwork, make sure you use that coupon code Spring Cleaning until the end of April 2025. It's going to be $125 and $150 for your unlocks for GPEC 2, GPEC 2A, GPEC 3, and then your T87As. So remember, coupon code Spring Cleaning must be on the paperwork to get the discount. You can send in 1, 2, 5, whatever you want to do. We'll unlock them for that price individually. So if you send in 2, it's going to be $125 a piece. If you send in 3, 4, 10, 2, it's going to be $150 a piece. So remember, coupon code Spring Cleaning. Happy unlocking.